Hello, and welcome to another product opening on X Lucky Ducky Gaming's YouTube. Today we have a Vaporeon V10 and a Shiny Fates Boltund V box. Went into Walmart and I came across these and I was like, huh, good finds. They literally just restocked before I came in, so I got lucky on this. And sorry there wasn't any new videos last week, I was on vacation, so alright, let's get right to it. I think we're going to start off with the Vaporeon 10. This is relatively new. So we're going to go ahead and open this. Move this out of the way. Gotta have that soy sauce. Let's show you what's on the tin. You got Vaporeon, Jolteon, Vaporeon again, Flareon. Comes with one of 3 foil cards, including Vaporeon, Jolteon, or Flareon V, 4 packs, and then a code, which I will be giving this code away in this 10 today, so same thing with the Boltund. Kind of cool how it comes in. So there's a Vaporeon V. Very gorgeous card. Go ahead and try to get it out without ruining it. And I got sleeves on the ready. I don't really like these sleeves, but I don't really have much extra ones besides these kind. So at least we got the cool evolution sleeves. I really like these. So put that over there. There is the code for the Vaporeon V. And get to the packs. We have Evolving Skies, Chilling Rain, Battle Styles, and Sword and Shield. How I tend to open these packs is starting from the oldest to the newest. Alright, let's get right to it. Starting with Sword and Shield. Alright. Code for you guys. Energy, Crushing Hammer, good card. Mantine, Lucky Egg, Messino, Galarian Ponyta, Salandit, Baltoy, Kufant, if I said that right, Ferroseed, and Drampa. Or Snoop Dragon. Next one. Battle Styles. And there's that code. Battle Styles for you guys. We got Energy, Heatmore, Honchkrow, Camping Gear, Cubone, holding his bone, Cubone, Scatterbug, Corfish, Glameow, Yamper, love Yamper, Meowstic is the reverse, and Snoop Dragon again. 2 Snoop Dragons today, huh? That's funny. Can we go for 3? I think there's one in Evolving Skies. And there's that code. Chilling Rain. Got Energy. Spiral Energy. Peony. La Iron. Inkay. Diglett. Scorbunny. Shuppet. Cubfu. And the reverse is a Furfru. I don't know why I butchered that. And a Zangoose. So is this one going to be another Drampa? Snoop Dragon. Alright, last pack in the tin, and then we'll get right to the Shiny Fates. Fortunately, it doesn't look like I'm getting anything out of this tin. It's okay though. Evolving Skies. Newest set to come out. We have Energy, SQ, Skiploom, Elemental Badge, Pikachu, Seedot, put these together, Lillipup, my boy Bagon, Litleo, Dwebble, and a Milotic as our rare. So nothing crazy good out of the 10, unfortunately. Besides the Snoop Dragons. But just to show up the promo again. Vaporeon. Put that over there. The maps over there. And then we got this Boltund box. And then there's the code for the Boltund. Really good card. It's going to see a lot of play with the new Flaffy from Evolving Skies. On the floor. I haven't opened up Shiny Fates in like a month or two, so this will be fun. I already completed the whole Shiny set for Shiny Fates, so anything I get here is essentially extra. Jumbo Boltund card. And then, of course, I got the promo. I definitely don't have the Jumbo card, and I like collecting those, so that's always nice. And then there's that. All right, let's get right to it. Shiny Fates. And there's the Shiny Fates code. Will we get another Charizard? That'd be cool. Steel Energy, Rusted Shield, Eldegoss, my boy Cramorant, Kufent, Grookey, Buizel, Yanma, Trapinch, and we have a Galarian Rapidash Shiny and yeah, Mega. Get a closer look on that. Very pretty. Go ahead and sleeve that up. Code. We have Energy, Cramorant, Thwackey, Rusted Sword, Spinarak, Shinx, Goffing. Sorry, I had to. Horsey, Grookey, this round boy, Rowlet, and a holo rare Luxray. On to the next. So I managed to pre-order 2 boxes of a V Collections box from GameStop. It's for that celebration that coming out in October. Has Lance's Charizard V and Sylveon V. So I'm definitely going to be opening that up on stream just to show the viewers. It's a nice box. It's going to be an amazing set, and I can't wait for that set. So code for you guys. All right, we have Energy, Ball Guy, Rusted Sword, Eldegoss, Snom, Grookey, Spinarak, Shinx, Horsey, Morpeko, and our rare is a Volcanion. Save that one for last. And code for you guys. We have Energy, Rodom, Eldegoss, Tropius, Morpeko, looking hungry. It's always hungry. Spinarak, Weasel, Rowlet, Trapinch, Eevee, I love this card, and we got a Delmise V. One last pack. If we can get one more shiny, we'll be good. Last code. And we have Energy, Ball Guy, Dartrix, Eldegoss, Shinx, Rowlet, Eevee, Morpeko looking hungry again, Weasel, and our shiny is a Galarian Lanoon. And Boss's Orders. Go ahead and sleeve that up. Put those there. I'll show off what I got again. I have the Vaporeon tin and a Boltund box. The Delmise V, the Vaporeon promo, the Boltund V promo you get, and then Galarian Rapidash and Galarian Lanoon. Thank you for watching this. I'll be doing more openings soon enough. Once I, come across product when I can. But I hope everyone has good luck with their pulls if they get any product. And I'll see you soon.